Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil 2020 GMC Sierra. Lift the truck safely, support with jack stands, and remove the oil fill cap to improve drainage. Position the drain pan under the plug, loosen the drain plug carefully, and allow oil to flow completely. Replace the drain plug, remove and replace the oil filter, add fresh oil to the recommended level, and check for leaks while the engine runs briefly. Start by removing the drain plug once the engine is cool and the truck is securely supported. Let the oil drain until it slows to occasional drops to ensure most contaminants leave with the oil. While draining, inspect the drain plug and crush washer and replace any worn hardware. Clean the plug and install a new washer, then torque the plug to the manufacturer specification to prevent leaks and ensure a proper seal. After draining oil, remove the old oil filter and prepare the new filter by coating its gasket with a little fresh oil. Screw on the new filter until it contacts the base, then tighten by hand plus about a quarter turn to secure it. Refill the engine with the specified oil type and capacity. Check the dipstick for correct level, start the engine briefly to circulate oil, and recheck for leaks around the plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.